Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening the specific slide where you want the link. You select the exact text, image, or shape that will hold the link. Once selected, right-click and choose Link, or go to the Insert menu and pick Link. This starts the linking dialog. You do this to ensure the correct anchor is chosen so users click the right element later. Make sure the selection is visible and sized appropriately because link targets should be easy to tap or click. Next, paste the destination URL or choose place in this document to link to another slide. You can also select email for a mailto link. Once done, confirm the display text or tooltip so it reads clearly in slideshow mode. Make sure to set whether the link opens in a new window when presenting externally. PowerPoint generally defers to the default browser. If linking to a file, confirm its path remains valid after moving the presentation. Finally, test the link by running slideshow and clicking the linked item. This verifies behavior for your audience. If it fails, edit the hyperlink, update the file path, or retype the URL. Broken links often result from moved files or typed errors. Once working, save your presentation and, if necessary, package the file with linked resources so links don't break on another computer. One troubleshooting tip: if a link opens incorrectly, clear the hyperlink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.